Hello everyone and welcome back to Ridiculous Resins. I'm Ace, and as you can see I've already got us set up here. So once again we're just going to go ahead and jump right off this bridge. Dennis, my boyfriend, is here. He is going to be creating this freeform geode, and I am going to be doing this one. We've picked out our colors. We got peach, pink, blue, and gold over here. That actually sounds pretty awesome. I've got my pearl snow white, some regular white, neon green, neon blue, and some silver tubey confetti that I just love. And then I'm just going to make some white. We've already poured. These are A's, these are B's. Yeah, so we're just going to get right into it. Okay, so unfortunately, the stuff that I used to make these geo molds, it said silicone strong or something on the front, and I just assumed that it was silicone caulk, and it wasn't. It's latex. So not only did these not peel out, and not only did I not use parchment paper, this is wax paper, so we're gonna have to soak these and peel this off. That's how just out of it I was, I guess. I was at work, so. But, so, one, I already told you, wax paper is a no-go. I don't know what I was thinking. Two, make sure what you're making in your freeform, or what you use to make your freeform geodes, is silicone. This is latex, and it's still yeah, anyways. But Dennis didn't clean his up. I cleaned mine up fairly well. I'm just gonna put that like that so you can see it. Okay, looks like a big old cow. That's weird. I mean, the black, that looks like a big old black cow or sheep or something. But I mean, it came out great, but yeah. And yeah. So this has to be cleaned up again. I'm not counting these as fails either, because they're totally salvageable, and they could go on a frame. Or, I mean, if you're a painter, you could use this as your palette, like legit, straight up and down, and it washes right off, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I am about to go make some more new freeform geode molds out of silicone, and it's gonna be the black that I still have, because I still have like a tube and a half of that. So that's that. But these did come out however I told him he shouldn't use the alcohol ink on top like that, because it's just gonna cover up all the color that he put in there. He didn't listen. Most men don't. But yeah, I think this would have looked a lot cooler if it had less gold in it, because it takes away all the colors that he did put in there. Trial and error, trial and error. But we had fun making them, and everything else besides what I used for the freeform and this punk ass wax paper. I have a box of wax paper in my workroom, and I just use it for, like the bottom, so I don't get stuff all over my actual work area or whatever, which is also covered with a foam board. But still, I didn't even think about it when I grabbed the box and took it to work with me and laid these freeforms out. But I did manage to get most of this off without any real tools or power tools or anything. I'm just going to sand it, and this part right here really has the most, because I couldn't really get that with the scissors that I was using. But I'm gonna grind all this stuff off and salvage them, because they are salvageable. They're not fails, and I refuse to let them get the best of me, damn it. So yeah, Ridiculous Resins, trial and error, mad fails, half not fails, and yeah, still going. And I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, anything. You got any ideas, something I haven't tried, or something that you thought of, maybe that you want to see if it'll work in resin or not, let me know. Leave me a comment, shoot me a DM, And I'm all for experimenting. I mean, that's obvious. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I will check you out next time.